Well, apparently we're going to get to go in a helicopter, take a little flight over Goodwood House and over the estate. Have a look at have a look at what Goodwood looks like from the air.
Yorkshire. None of us are football fans. We don't. We just do not. We don't. No interest in football, none of us.